Hello and welcome back. A very good morning to all of you in Mumbai, different cities in India, and of course those who are overseas watching this video at some point of time or the other. Now, in my quest of bringing on the time management series, this morning I bring to you another extension of that, and it's how do you manage poor time? Uh, Big question. How do you manage poor time? I've got 7 of my favorite ways which I'll be sharing with you. One is to make a schedule. Keep it simple. Prioritize. See what you want to do first. Keep it urgent versus important versus FYI versus FINA. Right? Set some boundaries. Have a threshold. Have an upper service limit. Have a lower service limit. When you have a window, you will know exactly that you've got to complete within the window. Account for good distractions. Uh, Anything that tells you how you can do your job better is a good distraction. Anything that takes you away from your focus area is not so good. Get some technical help wherever it is required. If you can automate whatever you can, do it. If you can involve BPMS, business process management systems, do that. If you can have SOPs, do that. The whole idea is never to procrastinate. Procrastination helps you in only getting more lethargic, and it's not something that you want to be blessed with. Let's move on. What are some of the basic principles of time management? Planning is always important, and no matter what you do, failing to plan is planning to fail. Correct? And you organize and prioritize yourself much better. Your work gets done in a much more effective manner. Follow the 80-20 Pareto principle. 80-20 Pareto principle is 20% of your effort and the outcomes comes from 80% of the effort and the result. So technically 20% of your outcome comes from 80% of your effort. Look at the 80-20 principle. Do one thing at a time. Don't try to solve world hunger. Six Sigma tells you take one process, one project at a time. A lot of people in their quest to go and impress the top management take 3-4 projects, and then none of it happens, and then it's showtime. Take one project at a time, do it well, get your outcome, get the results that you desire, and look good, look like a star. Okay, learn to delegate as much as you can. Delegation and shirking work, there's a thin line. Delegate your work, don't shirk it to someone, because the final responsibility still remains with you. Keep yourself healthy and stress-free. Learn to relax. There's nothing that was solved by taking stress. And learn to say no. That's being courageous. That's the trait of a good manager. A person who can say no, but with valid reason. Just saying no because you got an ego is stupidity. So there's again a fine line that draws the ability to say no. Okay. What are some of the factors that affect time management? Key factors that affect time management is your time is money. Your time is life. It is essential that you become aware at every point and measure of how you spend your time, where you spend your time, and with whom you spend your time. Poor time management is your major source of stress because you wonder as to why you wasted so much of your time at the end of the year. Urgency versus importance is the most important factor when you're planning your time, when you're delivering. Okay, that you've got to keep in your mind. Time savers versus time wasters is something that you got to know all the time. You got to maintain that work-life balance, because that's the key. That's what will make you effective. Okay, and what are some of the time management keys to success? It allows you to take control of your life rather than you following the flow of others. You are in control of your life, right? You're not going with the flow. As you accomplish more each day and make more things happening around you, you are much more in control, and you become much more popular with the desired outcomes your organization is looking out for. Leaders in your business will come up to you when they need to get things done. This is the guy whom we trust, who will get it done for us. You will be the go-to man, right? So be that go-to man in the eyes of your management. So review, revisit, rework, reprocess, reuse and recycle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for all such future notifications of videos that I will bring to you to enrich your knowledge, update you, and also bring clarity in the concepts that you otherwise wanted to know. In the meantime, you stay safe, stay indoors, take care of yourself, and receive loads of blessing. Take care. Bye-bye.